Welcome back to Tokyo Car Review, your ultimate destination for everything related to next-generation automobiles, groundbreaking automotive technology, luxury performance machines, and the future of driving. Today, we're exploring what could become one of the most revolutionary vehicles ever imagined, the 2027 Chevrolet Corvette C10 ZR1X SUV. This isn't simply another high-performance SUV or an ordinary concept designed to grab headlines. It's a bold vision that completely redefines the legendary Corvette name for a new generation of drivers. For decades, Corvette has represented pure American performance, breathtaking acceleration, aggressive styling, and world-class engineering. But now Chevrolet is taking that legendary heritage into completely new territory by combining the soul of a supercar with the practicality, comfort, and intelligence of a premium luxury SUV. Imagine a vehicle powered by a next-generation twin-turbocharged V8 engine working seamlessly with an advanced tri-motor hybrid electric system capable of producing an astonishing 1,100 horsepower and more than 950 pound-feet of torque, allowing this futuristic machine to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.6 seconds, while delivering the confidence of intelligent all-wheel drive, advanced torque vectoring, and an adaptive suspension system that continuously scans the road ahead to optimize handling before you even reach the next corner. But incredible performance is only the beginning, because this SUV has been imagined with artificial intelligence at its core, featuring an advanced AI driving assistant that constantly monitors road conditions, weather, driver behavior, battery efficiency, and traction levels to deliver the perfect balance of power, safety, and efficiency in every situation. Whether you're quietly cruising through the city in electric mode, enjoying a spirited drive on your favorite mountain road, or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the Corvette C10 ZR1X automatically adapts its personality to match your driving style. Inside the cabin, you'll discover a futuristic environment inspired by luxury private jets and modern technology, featuring premium handcrafted leather, carbon fiber trim, aerospace-grade aluminum accents, heated and ventilated massage seats, a fully digital cockpit, an augmented reality head-up display, advanced facial recognition, fingerprint vehicle access, intelligent voice commands, panoramic smart glass roofing, immersive surround sound, wireless charging throughout the cabin, customizable ambient lighting, and over-the-air software updates that allow the vehicle to become smarter long after it leaves the factory. Chevrolet has also imagined this SUV as a true everyday performance vehicle, offering generous passenger space, flexible cargo capacity, intelligent towing assistance, advanced terrain management for snow, mud, sand, and rocky roads, predictive maintenance technology that identifies problems before they happen, and a comprehensive suite of next-generation safety systems using radar, cameras, LiDAR, and artificial intelligence to protect every passenger. On the outside, the design remains unmistakably Corvette, yet introduces a bold SUV silhouette with razor-sharp LED lighting, muscular bodywork, aerodynamic air channels, active front splitters, deployable rear spoilers, lightweight forged wheels, and aggressive proportions that give it an unmistakable presence, whether it's parked or traveling at nearly 200 miles per hour. If Chevrolet ever transforms this incredible concept into reality, it could completely change the luxury performance SUV segment by challenging icons such as the Lamborghini Urus, Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, Aston Martin DBX 707, Ferrari Puro Sangue, BMW XM, and even the most advanced electric performance SUVs on the market. Throughout this video, we'll examine every exciting detail, including its revolutionary design philosophy, expected specifications, hybrid powertrain, futuristic technology, luxurious interior, intelligent driving systems, performance capabilities, estimated pricing, possible production timeline, and whether this extraordinary machine has what it takes to become the most exciting Corvette ever imagined. So buckle up, because you're about to witness a vision of the future that blends American muscle, world-class engineering, artificial intelligence, electrified performance, and luxury into one breathtaking package. If you love concept cars, future supercars, luxury SUVs, and everything shaping the next generation of automotive innovation, make sure you subscribe to Tokyo Car Review, because this is only the beginning, and the future of driving has never looked more exciting.